Say hello to the Andersons, a loving family. They're perfectly normal, just like you and me. We've got Dad and Mom, and Grandpa too, and brother, and sister, and Gronk. You know the Andersons are your typical family. Dad loves baseball and Mom loves to bake. And then we've got Gronk. Say hi to everyone, Gronk. The Andersons. The kids like to game. Grandpa loves his movies.
Grandpa? Where's Grandpa?
Is that Grandpa's arm?
The Andersons love to sing and dance, and they love...
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to look at you like that. I didn't mean to look at you like that. I didn't mean to look at you at all. No, please, no.
Okay, we're leaving. There's no way this TV show is worth our lives.
Why are you doing this to us?
Because you're my puppets, and you do as I say. Now, dance! Say hello to the Andersons, a loving family. They're perfectly normal, just like you and me. Coming soon this fall, it's The Gronk Show.
Gronk.